Bro, let me be honest for a second. There was a time when I couldn't stick to anything. I'd make plans at night and break them by morning. I'd wake up late, skip workouts, promise myself I'll start tomorrow, and still end up doing nothing one day. I looked in the mirror and said, man, this version of me, I can't live like this. And that hit deep. So I started small. Not perfect, just small. 5 push-ups, 10 minutes of studying, one simple promise every day: show up, even when I don't feel like it. And slowly, things changed. My habits got stronger, and my excuses got weaker. That's when I realized motivation fades, but discipline, that's the superpower that builds your whole life. If this story moved you, subscribe to StoryNest Official, where stories shape strength, one lesson at a time. **